How to use Duolingo offline. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So you could use Duolingo offline because earlier this feature was only available for Duolingo Plus users, but now it is available for free users as well. You can use it offline for at least 1 hour, and this feature helps you to expand your learning and helps you to maintain the streak. So also, if you think there is a course that you no longer want, you can delete it. And if you want to get the lessons offline, you must use a Duolingo recently so that some of your lessons are recently downloaded. So as you plan to go to France, for example, and I barely had time to do lessons, what I could do was I would make sure to help or keep the app open with the internet connection even when not using the app. So however, it did not add up a lot of lessons offline. So I can try completing some lessons as well over here. So it shows that Duolingo can be used offline for an hour even if you are not the Primer or Duolingo Plus users. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.